Nothing like an uncomfortable seat position to make a climb even more fun. Or not. That's why you need OnlyMotion, the world's first electronic dropper post-conversion kit. More control, more performance. No complicated setup, just ride. With up to 150 hours or 4,000 activations per charge, you'll forget it even needs charging. And yep, wireless remote included. No cables, no fuss, just instant seat adjustments at your fingertips. Built for durability, strength, and a lightweight feel, so you get top-tier performance without extra weight. Installation? Easier and faster than any mechanical system. Zero maintenance, maximum performance. In fact, it takes just a few minutes to install. No stress, just smooth rides. And when you do need to charge, fast and convenient USB-C charging keeps you rolling. Lighter and more affordable than integrated solutions because performance shouldn't break the bank. Proudly Canadian and coming soon. This is OnlyMotion. Enjoy the content? Join the community of innovators and check the details below.